coin rimming machine is developed to solve the problem of coin sharp edge after minting in coin minting industry. This machine is small and easy to operate, suitable for various working environments. Using high-quality bearings, the production speed could reach 5s/piece. The machine can be customized to meet different diameter of coins rimming purpose by changing different molds. They are suitable for various metals like gold, silver, copper, brass and steel. First, put the round coins into the card slot of the machine and turn on the switch of the machine. Press the start button, and the machine can work automatically. The blank coins will be rimmed one by one automatically. After the work is completed, press the stop button.